Dad?
Yes, son?
Can I ask you a question?
You can ask your dad anything.
Where do babies come from?
Maybe just ask your mum that one, son.
That's your job.
No, just get the phone, son. Just get the phone. She's... Yellow. What? Where? We'll get on it straight away. Son, you better cancel SpongeBob tonight. We've got code 9.
Yes.
Let's go. Let's do this. Son, let's do this.
Dad?
Yes, son.
Where do babies come from?
Let's just take care of these, son. Here we go.
Well, well, well. We're honoured. Sent 2 of the best.
Do 'em, boys.
So, where do they come from?
Like, a man loves a woman, doesn't he? Yeah? And he like wants to prove his love to her, doesn't he?
So then what, Dad?
It's like, you know, when a man has a car, yeah? And a woman has a garage, eh?
So babies come in cars?
Well, apart from that one night, but I mean, no. Well, it's like at football, isn't it? You know, centre forward, he kicks the ball, you know, and then boom, back at net.
I'm really confused.
Yeah, so am I. It's a stork. That's right. Yep. Stork flies down, brings baby, boom, there you go.
All right, I understand now.
Next.
You mess with my daddy, you mess with me.
Good job, son.
That's the last of them.
Let's go.
So what about Santa?